Hey guys, welcome to another week's vlog. It's Monday. It's the 19th, I think. Let's see if we can start this on the right note. And I just got home. It's about 10:30, maybe 10:45 already. Well, it might even be 11 o'clock because I like to get home and then crash for a few minutes because I don't know what I'm doing with my life. So I did close. I worked 1 to 10 and I didn't leave a whole lot of time to do much of anything today. I meant to vlog earlier in the day after I filmed my video and I'm pretty sure I forgot to do that. So this is the beginning of our vlog and our vlog week. I did film today what I got for Valentine's Day or what I got for my Valentine. So that should be going up. Hopefully tonight I can finish editing that and put it up really quick. I'm off Wednesday, thank goodness. And I need to rest, but I also need to get a lot done. And I think I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet and maybe, you know, rest for a couple hours and then I gotta get some stuff done. I'm off Sunday as well. So maybe Sunday we can end the vlog with something fun. What do you think, baby? What do you think? With your gorgeousness? You're so pretty. Do you want to say hi? Oh, hello. Oh, hello. So pretty. Is it pretty? You got your red? You get your red? Such a gorgeous baby. Can you say good night? No? Okay. So that's it for tonight and I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Wednesday morning and I just got up a little bit ago. It's not quite 10 o'clock, it's 9 something and I'm actually surprised I woke up. Like I felt like I had slept a long time. So I feel pretty rested. That is a good thing. I'm having my coffee, of course, because when do I not have coffee? Duh. But I also got my first Gratis box and now I paid for this completely myself. They didn't reach out to me or anything like that. I just kind of been wanting to try some kind of a snack box. So Gratis is popular. I thought I would try that first. So this is my little freebie box and they did send this too that basically tells your code. So you can get a box for free for using Gift for You. But they also sent me one a little bit better too. So I'll put this in the description box in case you guys want to check it out. But you can get your first and your 5th box free. And there's a code for that as well. I doubt it's going to focus on that. But at any rate, I'll link that down below if you guys are interested in trying it out. This box, I know I could have canceled right after like this one was shipped out and just gotten the free one. It's just cute little 4 snacks. But I went ahead and stuck with my subscription. I want to try it for a little while. So I have a few different things. I have iced cinnamon bun, which is honey almonds, yogurt seeds, cookie drops, and almond slivers. That I will probably have that like this morning as like a little snack with my coffee. I feel like that would be a good combination. I also got this little bag of popcorn with black pepper. I'll probably have that later. I got cheese board, which is cheese cashews, cheese croutons, and herb crackers. That's like a good little snack thing. And then this one is Fantastic Forest Fruits, which is blueberries, lingonberries, soft apple pieces, and cherry raisins. So that's my first box. I'm excited to try it out and see what I think about it. I just thought these would be really great for having in my locker at work or when I'm on the go and I just really don't have a lot of time to eat. This is going to be a perfect little snack. And now I'm kind of at a loss because I started watching Mindhunter on Netflix and I loved it. It's really weird and it's really like, if you're squeamish about even the talk of like violence and murder and things like that, don't watch it because it's all about serial killers. But I have a weird fascination with that kind of thing. So I really like it, but it was only 10 episodes and it's not coming back till close to the end of this year. So I'm like, oh, that's all I want to watch. Like I'm literally considering just rewatching it because I want to watch it that bad. But I'm gonna figure out something to watch. I always have like one show, so when I have a little bit of time I can watch like one episode here and there. The one that Zach really wouldn't want to watch. So I gotta figure out what to do, but it's probably better that I don't because I need to get a lot of stuff done. I need to do a couple videos and I definitely need to clean the house because it's a mess. That's all that's going on for the morning. I will check in with you guys later when I'm doing something more exciting. Hey guys, it's still Wednesday. It's about 5 o'clock and I cleaned all my makeup brushes, or most of them, at least all the dirty ones that I could find. So that's done. I also washed all the dishes I'm doing laundry, if you can hear that, and I cleaned off the counter somewhat. It still needs a little help, and I need to wipe it down with a Clorox wipe. I've still got some mess there. That's all mine. Kitty stuff, I vacuumed. If you can't tell, it looks so much better. And I put like the kitty toys, so I need to like spread their toys out again. What you doing, Bean? Yeah. What's her doing? Okay. And I moved this ottoman over here for just like an extra spot, like I could throw my purse down on or something. Yeah, what do you think? And this is their like daytime spot. We put the beds and the window open and they love the sunlight. What's up, Sniffies? What's up, Sniffy Diffies? Okay. How you doing? Okay, going good? But yeah, that's the couch. I cleaned it up a little bit. The kitties love the piece of pizza, and I've got my stuff there in the corner, and I pulled the coffee table out a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. I'll probably wind up pulling it back in when I need to do something. Laundry's being done. I need to put away those shoes at the end of the haul, but I did get some chores done, so I'm about to wipe down that counter, wipe off the coffee table, and then I'm going to take a shower and hopefully film a video because I'm waiting on a package. What are you doing, Sally? What are you doing?
Sally, what are you doing, darling?
Yeah? What's up? You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi to everybody? Mimi? Mimi? Hey guys, it's Thursday night. I am about to take off my makeup, wash my face, and take a bath. Every time I use this Bifacil face from Lancome, I'm like more and more amazed. This is actually a weekly wow, and I'm thinking about buying another one, even though I've still got a lot of this because I love it so much. But as you can see, I don't have a lot of makeup on today. I had to work really early. I had to go in at 8. So I just saturated my Shiseido cotton. I'm going to show you guys like a half and half. I'm literally not scrubbing or anything. I'm just like wiping. Like that quickly. Never ceases to amaze me. So yeah, that's my plans for tonight. My video is exporting. I just filmed earlier after I got off work. I filmed a Ulta haul. Maybe if I do some shopping tomorrow, I'll try to remember. I'll take my camera and do some vlogging, and hopefully it won't be too busy, but it is a Friday, so it'll probably be busy. Hey guys, before I say goodnight, I was going to show you my Dragon's Egg bath bomb, so I'm gonna drop it in. Drop it in the bath. Ooh, that one sank. What are you doing? Oh, there we go. I love Dragon's Egg. It always leaves my skin feeling so soft. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Friday. It's about 5:30. I'm off work, but I know how congested the interstate is, so I'm actually about to go into TJ Maxx now. That way I can just avoid like the really congested part of it. So I figure by the time I leave here, traffic will be a lot better and it won't be such a headache. Because as of right now, it'd probably take me like an hour to get home because I'm like the dead traffic. And Zach's still at work too, and his drive is pretty long. So I've got some time to kill. I'm gonna go in. I'm hoping that maybe I can get a little vlogging done in there, although it's like packed here, like there are cars everywhere. So this is unfortunately a pretty busy time, but I want to do better of just like vlogging in public some more, just get a little bit more comfortable with it. So that's what's going on right now. I'm about to go in, but hopefully I'll be able to take you guys in with me and we can do a little bit of shopping together. There's such cute kitty stuff. Oh. And just like some crazy bowl for Sally because she's crazy, but so cute. And I need to see Minners leaning on this little couch because he loves to lean. Cute little plant. I kind of like this too. Got some pretty stuff. This is really cute. It's $4.50. It says fries before guys. I haven't really found much. This says rosé all day. And I'm getting an alginist drop. I found 2 towels I liked, but one of them was torn up. Hey guys, it's Saturday. It's about 12:40. I've got about 20 minutes before I need to leave for work, but I got a couple packages. So I got one from ColourPop, and then I got something from the Boxycharm little section where you can redeem your points. So I always wait. There's usually not a lot of good things there, but I saw a little palette that I thought might be good. If you didn't see my Boxycharm video, I use this vintage smoky eye pencil by Jessica Libeskind. I don't even know, but it's the same brand as that, but this is a little blush and brighten face palette. I paid $4 shipping. I think it's kind of stupid that like this was $35. I had enough points to redeem for $40, but I still had to pay $4 shipping. And I basically lost that $5. So that's kind of messed up in my opinion. And I love Boxycharm, so just like use that $5 as my shipping. I don't know. I thought that was a little sketch. So whatever. I'm gonna open this up and show you guys really quick. It's cute. So it's just like a plain little white packaging with the gold lettering. And basically just looks like 2 blush colors. These are cute, like spring and summer colors. One's a little light pink and the other is like an orchid kind of a shade. Also got my ColourPop order. I'm gonna open it with you guys. I think I'm gonna do a little video using these products. I got a couple of things from their Valentine's collection. Got a little Super Shock shadow set. This is called Passing Notes. So I got Drift and Waddles and Haze. Haze looks really cute. It's like a light pink with a glitter. I'll go into more depth obviously when I do the video. I also got a small palette called Pretty Much, and like pinks and purples with a little bit of like a champagne and a gray. So excited to play with that. It's got cute little, I don't know if you guys can see, it's like the little symbols. It's like little hands. Cute. And then I got 2 of the Luxe lipsticks. So I got Boy and Stone Fox, 2 kind of lighter shades. And I just felt like I needed those in my life. They didn't have many in stock. A lot of them were sold out, but I figured I'd try a few. So I will film that video soon showing you guys all the ColourPop goodies that I got. But other than that, I'm going to work. I'm working 2 to 10. So it's going to be kind of a long night, but hopefully it will be a good one. And I am going to check back in on my foundation that I'm wearing, because I just filmed a like drugstore makeup first impression. So a lot going on. I hope I remember to do that. So I may come home and remove my makeup and then go, oh shit, I should have done that. But hopefully not. So that's it. It's gonna be a working night. I doubt I will vlog anymore today, but I will try to vlog some tomorrow. I am off and I'm excited to be off for a day. So I will talk to you guys then. What are the babies doing? Hi, Minnows. Hi, Bean Bean. Bean 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 Bean. Why you ignore me, Bean Bean? Hello. Sniffies. Sniffies. Hi, pretty. There's Sally. Hi, baby. You need it? Okay. Hey guys, it's Sunday. It is about 3:30 and we're about to go out. We're gonna go to TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Chipotle. I think that's it. I look a mess, but it's Sunday and I don't want to put on makeup. I want to let my skin breathe. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna take you guys along with us. So these are the small ones that are 30. But I found Burberry stuff. The So exciting. Lip products. They only had one foundation. It was too dark, but I wish it was in my color. When I last left you guys, I was looking at some drawers in TJ Maxx. I went to Home Goods, but it's so cramped and busy in there, but this is what I got. And I'm gonna do another big haul that's TJ Maxx and Home Goods, but I just had to show you guys this because I've been looking at it for a while and I wanted a drawer specifically for skincare and I needed a little bit more storage overall. This is a set that I saw at Home Goods. It was a little bit more than I wanted to pay, but I've been eyeing them for a while and the shorter ones you guys saw are $30. So this one was a little bit better for me, especially since it's got more room. So I think I'm gonna do my skincare and like body products in here, and I'm gonna kind of sort it from like oldest to newest. So I don't know which way I'm gonna go, but that way I know which products I need to go for first. So if I'm looking for a cleanser, I wanna start with the one that I've had the longest. I gotta like wipe out these drawers and then I'll put something cute on top. And I don't know where I'll put it just yet. And my room in here is a complete disaster. Like I just film videos and I've left everything just sitting in places. So for now it's just this huge mess of like every video I've ever filmed. Just kidding, in the past few weeks. So everything's quite messy right now, but that's the plan and I'm excited about this. This will also be in my haul, but I've found so many good things. So I can't wait to do another TJ Maxx or bargain shopping haul. So I wanted to finish off this vlog. We wound up actually going to Crystal, which if you're not from the South, like region of the United States, you probably don't know what Crystal is, but it's like White Castle. It's just, they're very similar. Like Zach got that in his head. He was like, ooh, or do we want crystals? And I was like, that's fine. So we ate that. It was not as good for you as Chipotle. Not that that's amazing, but it can be better for you. And then I got home and I felt so sick all of a sudden. I actually went and like I had to lie down on the bed because I was feeling like chilly. I had like chills and my body was aching. I still feel pretty rough right now, and we were planning on going to the gym after our food had digested and we watched The Walking Dead, but now I feel like crap, and that makes me feel so much more guilty because I really need to go back to the gym. And hopefully tomorrow night after work I'll feel better, and after Zach gets home we can go. I don't know, but everything's a complete disaster in this room. I don't even know where to begin, but I'm off again on Tuesday, so I think that's when I'm going to start getting this room in order and start utilizing my drawers and reorganizing. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to leave me some video suggestions down below. I'm always curious about what you guys would like to see. If there's something that I'm not doing that maybe you're interested in seeing me try out, whether it be a product or a challenge or whatever. I'm always looking for really fun ideas, so definitely drop me some comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe before you leave. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.